Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Python 3.13.0 on Windows 10. So once you go to any browser, just type download Python and then click on download Python. Now click on downloads and just go down until you see looking for a specific release. So here look for 3.13.0. So you can see Python 3.13.0. Just click on download and then just go down until you see files. So here click on Windows Installer 64-bit. The download will start. Now tick the box for use admin privileges and add python.exe to path and then click on customize installation. Now click on next, click on install. Okay, now after setup was successful, click on close. Now open your command prompt. And type python space ---- version. Press enter. You are going to see your Python version 3.13.0.